जी हाँ दोस्तों, आ चुकी है एक और या मैं कहूँ ट्रिपल और वैकेंसीज। यस, केपीएससी केरला पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन लाया है अंडर द इलेक्ट्रा एक्स्ट्रा ऑर्डिनरी गजेट, जो कि 15 दिसंबर को पब्लिश हुआ था। फार्मासिस्ट की एक बहुत तगड़ी वैकेंसी। तो अब ये क्या है? सो इट इज फार्मासिस्ट ग्रेड 2 ऑफिसर अंडर द एनसीए, इंडियन सिस्टम ऑफ मेडिसिन एंड आयुर्वेदिक कॉलेजेस। तो यहाँ पर जैसे ही आप इन दोनों एप्लीकेशंस पे क्लिक करते हैं, दोनों ही एप्लीकेशंस खुल जाती है। So यहाँ पे applications are invited only from the candidates belonging to the SC converted to the Christianity of Kerala state। तो ये थोड़ी सी स्टेट स्पेसिफिक है। एक वैकेंसी है वायनाड में, 27,000 से लेके 63,000 की पगार है, 27,000 to 63,000 रुपीज। एंड वायनाड डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ केरला में आपकी पोस्टिंग होगी। एंड you will be even after the transfer you will be allowed after 5 years to be subjected to the rules to go for any other transfer to the district. Mode of appointment will be direct recruitment from the candidates belonging to the SC community of the Kerala state only. Age should be between 18 to 39, and in case of candidates belonging to adult members of scheduled caste society, age limit will be 41 years. Qualification certificate in the pharmacist council recognized by the government of Kerala, SSLC equivalent certificate। आपको ऑनलाइन इस एप्लीकेशन पर जाना है www.kerala.psc.gov.in, register a OTR, one time registration, make a user ID and a password, log in through that, and then you have to click on my applications। राइट, एंड जुड़े रहिए बिकॉज और भी दो वैकेंसीज आ रही है। सो डू नॉट स्किप द वीडियो बिकॉज आपकी वो दो वैकेंसीज मिस हो जाएगी। दिस इज द वेबसाइट केरला पीसीए एंड द लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन रिसीप्ट is 14th of January। You should have Aadhaar card and there are different proofs like your Kerala certificate and all। यहाँ पे नीचे मलयालम में लिखा है, तो that is the same thing which is written on top। All right, the second notification comes from the Indian System of Medicine, Insurance, Medical Services, Ayurveda colleges, जहाँ पे applications are invited only from the qualified candidates from the reservation communities of Kerala। Scheduled tribe, Alappuzha, one vacancy, Kollam and Pathanamthitta Muslim, one vacancy each, Alpuzha, one vacancy for the Latin, Catholic or the Anglo-Indian, Tiruvananthapuram, OBC, Dhivera community, Wayanad। So these are the different category numbers, and the salary is around 27,000 to 63,000 same। The date of publication, ranked list and the category numbers previously published were these। ओके, ये पहले पब्लिश हुए थे। आपकी लास्ट डेट ऑफ एप्लीकेशन है 14 जनवरी। सो 14 जनवरी विल बी योर लास्ट डे ऑफ एप्लीकेशन। Method of recruitment will be the direct recruitment, okay, based on your eligibility for all of these according to the different communities and reservations। Indian System of Medicine में 18 to 39, that is candidates belonging to the Muslim, Latin, Catholic, Anglo, OBC, Dhivera community। And you should be SSLC or equivalent certificate in Ayurvedic pharmacist from the government of Kerala। You have to go to this website keralapca.gov.in, submit the application, generate a OTR, user ID, password, and then you need to upload your photographs and print the application form till the 14th January. You are allowed to do so। And when I talk about the next vacancy, this is the third vacancy. The third vacancy is of the Chennai City Urban Health Mission, UHM। Okay, so all the people wanna come of the Chennai. Over here, you have public health specialist, one vacancy, 90,000. Medical officer, 15 vacancies, 60,000 rupees. Assistant public health specialist, 60,000 rupees. Similarly, you have psychologist, occupational therapist, pharmacist. There are four vacancies for 15,000 each, and then there is auxiliary nurse and general nursing midwifery, ANM and XNM, where there are 82 vacancies। So educational qualification, if you want to be a public health specialist, either a PhD in clinical science, preventive medicine, pharmacology, masters in public health, epidemiology, diploma in public health, and besides this, for the assistant health public health specialist, you need to be a master's in public health or a diploma in public health and applied epidemiology। If you want to be pharmacist, you need to be the the diploma in pharmacy, and from the registered council of the TNPC, Tamil Nadu Pharmacist Council. All right, so you can submit the application form and download the application form from chennaicorporation.gov.in. The last date of application will be 5th of January. So go to the earliest possible. And this is a great vacancy. And this is the application form where you have to mention, specify your father's name, your name, age, Aadhaar card, email ID, permanent address, and then all the concerned documents like the Aadhaar card, the matriculation certificates, the experience certificates, if any. And this is the interface of the website of the Chennai. So today is a good news for the South people, Kerala and Chennai, because there are exclusively around 25 plus vacancies that have arrived for the different reserved communities and non-reserved communities. So go quickly and fill out the form and stay connected with Payam Vora classes and healthcare tips and tricks for more such upcoming informative vacancies.